I'm over here sitting on the ground, so you want to pay attention to me, not mommy. Come here. What you doing? It's such a big world out by the porch. I know. There used to be one on the porch, which is 4 by 50, and now they're out in the grass. And she's like, "I've never been out this far. I don't know what this grass is." Huh? Come here. Come on.
I can't see her. Get up
Hey.
so she'll walk around.
Oh, you want to play? You want to play? Huh? You want to play? Yes? You want to play? Huh? Huh? Yes. Come on. Woo. Not picking you up. Come here. Come on, Pepe. Come here. Come here. You can make it over here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Don't worry. Those trees ain't going to get you. The squirrel ain't going to get you. Come here. Come here. Pancake. Come here. I'm right here. Come here. Come here. She's looking at those trees like, those big monsters are going to get me. I don't know what those things are, but I hear the wind blowing through them. Yes, the wind's making noise. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she's getting in her own. Come on.